Alright, so the first thing that we're going to go ahead and use is going to be our dye. I got this red dye at Michael's. I got it in several different colors: petal pink, lemon yellow, aquamarine, and purple. Alright, go ahead and grab your containers. You can either go for a cup, depending on how much clothes you guys are going to dye. If you guys are going to dye like a suit or something more than just a couple of shirts, you guys can get a pitcher, a bucket, or whatever you guys have in hand. That should be fine. Any pair of gloves will do. Okay, also don't forget to grab some dish soap. Grab yourself some trash bags. Also, don't forget your squeeze bottle. Alright, go ahead and grab yourself some rubber bands or headbands. I wasn't able to find any rubber bands at all, so that's why I'm going with this. The reason why these are not yellow and colored is because this is the second time that I'm filming the video. I accidentally deleted the file, so we are going for round 2. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I have these shirts that I'm going to go ahead and dye here. They are damp, so make sure that your clothes, whatever you guys are going to use, is damp. And then here I have my containers with hot water, so make sure that your water is hot before you guys go in with the dye. And I'm going to go ahead and start with my 2 dyes. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pour some in each container. Alright, so our dye is in. Now we're going to go ahead and add some of our dish soap. Do not ask me why, because I have no idea. I just saw videos, they said to add dish soap, so I am just following the rules. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and test the colors, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab any like white cloth that you guys have and test the color there to see if it's up to your liking. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab our shirt or whatever we're gonna dye. Alright, so I'm picking up one of Hiii's onesies. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is do the crunch method. There are many methods that you guys can do when it comes to like dye, but the crunch method is my favorite, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So pretty much you guys just crunch the shirt as tiny as you guys can, and once it's all crunched, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it with our rubber bands or liguitas, whatever you guys have. All right, and it doesn't have to be precise or anything, just wrap it around. Okay, all right, so I think it's good. Maybe one more. All right, so her shirt is done. Now I'm going with a pink dye, and I'm just gonna go ahead and saturate it. So there it is. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up to make sure that I like the pattern and to make sure that I'm satisfied with the way it looks. Ooh, that is cute. Can you guys see? Super cute. All right, so because I see a lot of white spots, I'm gonna go ahead and just grab it and kind of like crunch it like this and add some more, just because that's how I like it. All right, that's cute. I like that. Now go to the back. I'm gonna add some more here. A little bit more here. All right, see, super easy. I love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go with the second color. I'm gonna do the same method. I'm just gonna crunch it again, and we're gonna go in with our second color, and the second color is purple. And I'm doing this really girly one for Hiiii. I'm gonna go ahead and open it again. Same old. Cute, but I definitely need more purple. All right, here we go. Cute. I love it. See how cute and easy it is to do these, guys? Super easy. Anyone can do it. And I'm glad that this time the colors are a little bit more intense, just because when you wash them and everything, they do like fade. So I'm glad I'm doing this again. Alrighty, so that's super cute. Alright, so we're done with this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it in a trash bag and let it just sit overnight. Alright, so because I really like that color pink, I'm gonna go ahead and do that to this t-shirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. We're gonna start here in the corner, just crunch, and then I'm just gonna crunch it here, put it all together, just bringing it all together. Alrighty. Alright, so once it's all crunched, go ahead and tighten it all up. Alright, so now that it's all crunched, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Add the color. I really like this pink. I did a pink shirt before, like on my first video, but it didn't come out this pink, and I love this pink. I'm literally like saturating it. Now I'm gonna open it and see if I like the pattern. Alrighty, yes, I like it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and add some more pink. For some reason, I feel like the back always looks so much better than the front. I don't know why. Alrighty, so there we go. That is it. I really love this pink shirt. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the second color. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and do the same with this t-shirt. I'm just gonna crunch it up again. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with our rubber bands. Alright, so there we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with our purple. I love that when you crunch it up, a lot of the material hides. So you think you're gonna literally come up with like a purple shirt or whatever, but it's not, just because the crunch method really hides it. Now let's check out the pattern. Cute. Isn't it cute? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and just add a little bit more. Depending on your preference, if you guys are happy with this, you don't have to do this extra step. I'm literally just crunching everywhere and just adding the color. Alright, so I think I'm good with the front. Now let's move on to the back. Alright, so there we go. Perfect. Alrighty, so now with the same t-shirt that has both the pink and the purple, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the third shade, which is this blue one, and we're gonna do the same thing. I love mixing all of these colors, especially like pink, purple, and blue. It reminds me of like Barbie colors. Isn't it cute? I love this. Alright, now we're gonna open it up and see how it looks. Oh my god, guys, I love this. This is so cute. Alright, just gonna add a little bit more blue in areas that I think it needs some more. Guys, I love this. Alright, now let's go to the back. This legit looks like a California sky. So beautiful. I am obsessed. Alrighty, I think I'm satisfied. How do you guys like it? Dude, it's so easy to make. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Alright, so now I'm going in with a clean shirt. I'm gonna go ahead and use the blue dye here. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna use different hair ties because the other ones are bleeding. So hopefully it doesn't mess it up. We shall see. I mean, you gotta use what you have. Alright, there we go. Oh, this looks so cute. Baby blue. I love it. Love it. Yay. All right, guys, one more color and we should be done. So here is our shirt that has all the three colors. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the last one, which is the yellow one. Let's see how this looks. Oh my goodness, do you guys see that? It looks so cute. I don't want to add too much in yellow just because I don't know how it looks. Shut up. Shut up. Dude, doesn't it look so cute? Are you kidding me? Alright, we definitely need more yellow. Oh my god, I love this. Guys, I am obsessed with this. Isn't it the cutest? With some black biker shorts. You can work out with this, take it out, dress it up. So cute. Oh my goodness. Now, let's turn it over. Yes. I think I'm good, guys. I think I'm good. Whoa. Love it. All right, so we're done with this one. Okay, you know what? All right, so we're done with this one. I thought I wanted to add yellow, but I actually like it that it's baby blue, but I'm just gonna let it be. All right, guys, so I had to recreate the same thing that we did to one of my t-shirts, where we put all the colors. I had to do it for Hiii's onesie, and I love how it came out. It's super cute. She's gonna love it. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make these dye shirts. It is actually my first time and I love doing that, so I am definitely going to be doing this more often for sure. Alright guys, so I am done with all my shirts. I really love how they all came out, so I'm just going to go ahead and let them sit overnight. Tomorrow I'm going to wake up, wash them, and then I will come back with the final results.